It's harvest season and a reminder to be extra safe on the roads. These pictures come from an accident scene involving a local high school student and a combine harvester. Thankfully, the driver of the car was able to get by with only minor injuries. The pictures were sent to the parents and student to the Shelley Police, who then shared them with the public. They don't want to see this happen to anyone else. Public Information Officer for Madison County Sheriff's Office, also in an agricultural area, says the best thing we can do is something we're already familiar with.
It's kind of similar to winter driving. We want to incorporate adding more travel time. So make sure you give yourself ample time to get to and from where you're going. It can be very frustrating to get stuck behind a slow-moving piece of equipment, but we have to understand and appreciate that it's part of our community, it's part of someone's livelihood, and we all got to eat. So it's important.
Sergeant Payne also says when you pass farm vehicles, to do so in a safe manner and to do so at safe speeds. He also reminded farmers to make sure their equipment, lights, and reflective tape are in good shape for the harvest season.